Today I'm making air fryer cheddar bacon potato skins. First I have 3 small Yukon gold potatoes that I washed, and now I'm going to use a fork to poke some holes in them. Next I'm going to add the potatoes into the air fryer and cook this on air fry for 40 minutes. Once the potatoes are done, I let them cool for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to cut each potato in half, and then for each half I'm going to use a spoon to scoop a little bit of the potato out to make room for the cheese and bacon. After that, I'm going to add the potatoes back in the air fryer to crisp them up, so I'm going to cook them at 400 degrees on air fry for 10 minutes. Once they were done, I added them to a cutting board. Now I'm going to sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese on each potato half. Then I'm going to add some cooked chopped bacon and then put these back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 3 minutes just to melt the cheese. Here's an up close look at the air fryer cheddar bacon potato skins.